Afternoon, welcome to the channel. Right, so today you may have seen my Instagram post already today. Anyhow, moving on, I've got some bits to open up from Mishimoto. Very exciting. I felt like that scene out of the Fast and Furious with all the packages on the back of the truck. That's how it felt. Anyway, without further ado, POV hat on, and let's get these unboxed. Right, I've put my knife down somewhere. Where is it? Oh, it's in there. So, let's start with the little box first. Let's see what we got. So, what is this? I have a Mishimoto T-shirt in the little box. Okay, that's good. Pop that down there. That's good. That's nice. Which one next? Just tip the camera forward a little bit further. Okay, let's go with this one. So, I'm expecting an awful lot of gear. Oh, there goes my box. Sorry. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put that in the workshop. Okay. What have we got? Okay. This looks like, yeah, constant tension. That would be my pack that they offer me, I'm guessing. Okay, so that looks like it's all of the bits and pieces, yeah, for the intercooler piping. So, tell you what, let's just open up one of these because I want to see what the wrinkle black looks like. Oh yeah, just get that properly out. Oh yeah, that's fancy. Awesome. Okay, that's good. So what I can do is I can keep that box open, put my t-shirt in there. Let's go with this one. Oh, I'm hoping you can see all of this because I don't want to have to start again. Takes the excitement out of it. Oh, this is my oil cooler. Holy moly. Don't hang about, don't muck around, do they? Bar clamps. Oh, nice. See, I went for the thermostatic oil cooler. Oh, nice tin. Oh, that bad boy. Oh yeah. Okay, that's quite fancy. Right then, so we've had a look at that. We need to open that. That's just the mounting brackets. But I do want to have a look at the actual oil cooler itself. So let's pop. Because I went with the black one. What's that in there? What is that? Program rewards play. Right, okay. So at this. This is another fancy bit of kit. Obviously you're not going to see that because it goes up that way, I believe, in the instruction videos that I've watched. Oh, well, I was saying that. It's upside down. So you might be able to see the logo when it's done. Okay, well, we'll have to wait and see until we've installed it. Put that back in there. Put that down the side. Put that back on. Okay, let's put this away. Oh, bugger. Let's put that back in its bag. So, let's put the other line back in. Okay, let's get on, and the bracket, mounting bracket. So that's my oil cooler. Nice, liking everything so far. It's all incredibly well made. So, what have we got in here? So, let's open this one up. This is my catch can. Okay. Specifically designed catch can with hoses, brackets, other air freshener. These are the bolts, adapters. So let's have a look at the actual catch can. Having never had a catch can on one of my cars. Okay, that's tougher than I thought it was going to be. There we go. Right. I'm guessing it's not very big, no, it's teeny tiny. Okay, that's good. In and out. Catch can. Right. That's good. That's nice. Happy, happy. Probably pack a lot of this into fewer boxes so I can store it until I actually get around to fitting it. Okay, so that's the catch can. Great. And last, but by no means least, this bad boy. I think I'm probably going to need some pliers for this one. Do the same again as I did the other day. Okay. So what does everyone else think of the new Mach 1 Mustang? Personally, I like it, but I don't think it's different enough to the current S550. But that is just my opinion. I don't know where that staple's gone. I'm sure I'll find it. Of course there's a box within a box. Right, these are all my... Oh, hello, that's just a box to... Right, nice. This is my downpipe. That's the turbo end with the cap. That's the flex pipe, that can't be the cat. I had to have one with the cat so that I didn't have to keep changing it out every year I go for an MOT. So let's just open her up, have a look. shall we? Oh, that's just the flex pipe. So that's where it comes down from the turbo. Okay, that's fancy and nice. The other one. I would expect the cat to be on that part there, but I might be wrong. Okay, just open this one up as well. Oh no, there's the cat. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Nice. Let's get it out of the bag. You can see exactly what it is. Like I say, I didn't want to have to keep changing it every year at MOT time. So, yeah, there's the cat, you can see it down in there, including when they've cut the bungs out. So let's take that out. And that's been plasma cut out. There's another one in there, I think. There we go, there's the other one. Right, so that's my sports cat. Awesome. So, there are the bungs. Not sure if there should be a bolt in there, but it's all good. That might be the turbo ring, saying that. There's two sensors on it. Okay. Away. So that is everything unboxed. Now I've got to try and package everything into a couple less boxes so I can store it all properly in the next month or so. On the whole, very pleased with all of that. Yes, it was expensive. Yes, but I think it's worth it. And I know my car's worth it. So I hope you like that. There's a lot to do. Lots more coming up. I've got another part arriving tomorrow. But yeah, so come September time when finally the warranty expires, so probably end of August, getting all these bits now while Mishimoto is all on sale and what have you, and I'm using the proceeds from my motorcycle to fund all of this. So I'm very happy. All the stuff is awesome. Can't fault them, you know, they delivered when they said they were going to deliver. So until next time, thanks.